Students, see this pinhole effect which is being formed from in between the trees here. Looks so beautiful.
You might have heard about the pinhole camera from your chapter, Light. And let's know what is this pinhole camera, how it is made, what is the principle of working of this pinhole camera, what type of an image is formed in a pinhole camera. So stay till the end so that I can show you some natural pinhole camera which is formed in the nature also. So if you have any queries regarding this or more, then you can put in the remarks. Don't forget to share the video with your friends, and if you like it, please press the thumb button so that ma'am can make better videos for you. So let's understand this scientific concept of pinhole camera today. This pinhole camera, it's basically a camera which is formed of a pinhole. There is a pinhole, a hole in the form of a pin-shaped hole is formed in one of the boxes. Actually, two boxes are taken. This is the outer box and this is the inner box. The outer box consists of a pinhole, and from this the light passes from the object. Because of the rectilinear propagation of light, the light comes and passes through this pinhole. And the inner box is having a translucent sheet on which the image is formed, and you can see a small and inverted image is formed of that object. So the working of the pinhole camera is like this as it is shown in the figure. And what about the image? The image is formed at which place? The image is formed at the translucent sheet. Translucent sheet which is there in the inner box, and the type of image is that this image is inverted and small. Inverted and small image is formed. As you can see, the object is much bigger, the tree is very big, and here an inverted and small image is formed. So why this is there? It is formed like this, inverted and small, because of the rectilinear propagation of light. It is formed like this. So principle of working, when we talk about the principle of working of a pinhole camera, the pinhole camera is actually a camera which is formed in nature by the sunlight when it passes in between the leaves and branches of trees. Then there is a natural pinhole camera is formed. Now when a man makes a pinhole camera, then what we do, it's very easy to make. We can take two shoe boxes or two cartons in which one of them should be bigger and the other one should be smaller. We will remove the front part or the top cover of both the boxes, and we will insert the smaller box inside the bigger box, and then we will get something like this. This is the bigger box and this is the smaller box inside it. In the bigger box, a pinhole is made, while in the smaller box at this end, a translucent sheet like a butter paper is fixed. Now when this pinhole camera is kept in front of the object, which is the tree here, then image is formed on the translucent sheet. For making the pinhole camera, you can have a bigger box like this, which is, I have taken a medicine tube box or carton or cover you can say, and this is a smaller one. Now we have to see that we have to remove these parts, and on this side of the bigger box we will have to make a small pinhole. In this smaller box also, or smaller carton or smaller cover also, we will have to remove this part, or we can insert it like this inside. And then what we can do like this, we have to insert in this side, we have to cut a small slit and we have to paste a translucent butter paper on it, and then this part will be inserted inside the bigger box or bigger carton. This has to go inside it properly, and then we will see through this pinhole camera. So let me see, it's almost, yes. Now it has entered like this. We have to make it enter inside this, and then if the hole is here, then we will keep it in front of the object and we will see like this. So image will be formed in the translucent sheet which is pasted on this inner box. So I hope by this it's clear, and similar cartons or boxes will be easily available at your home. So make your own pinhole camera and enjoy watching various things in inverted and small manner around you. Now let's know what type of an image is formed in this pinhole camera. As you can see here, the image is formed on the translucent sheet and the type of image is inverted and small. Now why we get an inverted and small image? That is because of the rectilinear propagation of light. As students, you can see the light always travels in a straight line. That is called as rectilinear propagation of light. So the image which is formed is inverted in the inside box on the butter paper. And what is the principle of working? Let's understand that. Its principle of working is light travels in a straight line. Straight line. This is the principle of working, or we can say rectilinear propagation of light. That is the principle of working of this pinhole camera. So in nature, when you go around, you can see, particularly in the winters, when the light enters through the fog, or when the light it gets dispersed, while when the light enters in between the tree leaves or in between the branches, then a particular pattern is formed, and that is also a natural pinhole camera. So continue watching and don't forget to see the natural pinhole camera which ma'am is going to show you here.
It's created by the leaves of the plants when they come in front of the sunlight, and the sunlight is coming through these holes in between the leaves of the plant. That is only called as the pinhole effect. It's a natural pinhole effect which you can see from in between the leaves of the trees. Students, you can see the sunlight is coming from in between the plants and trees. So there is a pinhole effect of sunlight is being formed here. All of you are able to see, I think, the pinhole effect of sunlight, and it looks so beautiful when the sunlight is visible from in between the trees and plants around us. Actually, when the sunlight comes from in between the holes of the plants and trees, then you can see that a camera-like effect is visible here. That is only called as the pinhole camera effect. So you can understand about this pinhole camera effect from your own channel, that is Unique Learning. So be a part of the channel and learn more about this and many more such scientific things from your channel, that is Unique Learning. Stay tuned to the channel till the end. Students, I think you are able to see this pinhole effect which is formed by the sunlight which is coming from in between the tree and the leaves of the tree.
In nature, we see round spots of light or sun-shaped lights in between the shadow of some leaves of trees when sunlight is falling on the tree. So those are natural pinholes which are formed in nature. So like this you can see, and you can make your own pinhole. Enjoy making it. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and today's homework is all of you will make similar pinholes which are very easy. Similar pinhole cameras you will make. and it's very easy to make. Share it with your friends and enjoy watching through your pinhole cameras. Happy learning. Thank you.
See, sunlight when it is seen from in between the plants and trees. A good pinhole effect is shown, which is a natural pinhole which is formed when you see it in between the trees and plants. Students observe the pinhole effect formed by the trees when the sunlight is coming from in between the leaves, how the pinhole effect is being formed.